Have you ever wondered why snoring happens and why it's sometimes more than just an annoying sound? Before I tell you if your mother is a girl, like and subscribe and comment, I love you, Mom. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax, sometimes so much that they narrow your airway. As you breathe in and out, air struggles to pass through the restricted space. Your body pushes harder to move oxygen, causing the relaxed throat tissues to vibrate and create the familiar snoring sound. While occasional snoring can be harmless, loud or persistent snoring may be a sign of reduced oxygen levels. Do you or someone close to you snore regularly at night?